Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a winnings and a Merry Mail that I received from, this one's from Liana from It's a Deal, and this one is from Brenda from Brenda's Creations. So I kind of pre-opened this one and I forgot to pre-open this one over here. Oh, yes, I have scissors in here. So awesome. So let me go ahead and show you what Liana from It's a Deal sent me. So she sent me a cute, beautiful card. So look at you guys, how pretty. Oh my gosh, excuse the glare. And I was just telling Tree that I think next year I'm just going to buy store-bought cards. I found it very difficult this year to make Christmas cards. So I might go half and half. I don't know. We'll see what happens next year. So this is what she sent me. And then wishing you a Christmas full of love and cheer. Happy New Year. Wishing you and your family blessings this new year. Love, Liana from It's a Deal. And she sent me this cute little, it's like a little shaker. You could use it as an ornament. And it's basically an embellishment. So these are really cute. Oh my goodness, so simple and easy. So thank you, Liana. Oh my gosh, and I like this one. I like the colors. So thank you so much, Liana. So if you guys do not know Liana, go over to her channel. Go ahead and show her some love and support. And wow, she has grown. I remember when I started watching her. Oh my goodness, but oh my goodness. So this one again is from Brenda's Creations. And go ahead and start opening this. And she was in the Pinkalicious collaboration with Tree and Marianne here on YouTube. Marianne is Marianne's Crafty Corner, and Tree from Craft On. There you go. And so let's go ahead and see. And they had an amazing collab. And here is the card. And I don't want to show any addresses, so I will put that on the side. And let me go ahead and see. And this is the first time I'm actually opening the card first instead of the item. So, oh, this is so cute. So she handmade this. And it is so cute. Look at those little poinsettias. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love how she did everything. So cute. Oh, sorry you guys. I hope you guys are able to see this. So let me go ahead and see. So yeah. So Kathy, wishing you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love her writing. Love, Brenda. And then P.S. These are your winnings from the Pinkalicious collab, Brenda's Creations. So there you go. So this is her YouTube name, Brenda Creations, and there's an underscore on the bottom. So go ahead and check her out. I will also link Brenda and Liana down on the description below, so you guys could go over check both of them out if you guys are not subscribed to them. And oh my goodness, oh my goodness, these are so cute. So I have been struggling to do my, oh my goodness, look at how cute. Oh my gosh, look at you guys. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love this paper, the paper collection that she used. And I don't know which one it is, but it is cute. I like her little bow. It's so nice, perfect. I don't know if she bought it. It looks like it's handmade because this pearl on the top. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh, let me see if you guys could see. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. And then she used this one, and it looks like this might have been a die cut, and she just popped it up. Cute. So let me see. Let's just be a little careful. Oh my goodness, this cup is so adorable. Oh my goodness. So, I was trying to say, I don't know if I even finished. No, I don't think I even finished. Oh, how cute. You guys, if you guys do not know Brenda, go over to her channel. Check her out, you guys. Look at, sorry, there's too much glare. Look at these little cute gifts. How cute. Oh my goodness. My light might be too too intense. There you go. There you go. And here's another gift. How cute. I like it. And there is another one. There you go. And then she did these right here as well. Oh, cute. Go ahead, go over, you guys, to go watch her Pinkalicious. A lot of these are in her Pinkalicious creations. So, oh my goodness, look at this snowflakes. So she layered a few. She did a few layers. And look at how, oh my goodness, those are so cute. I like it. And on these, it looks like she put the diamond dust on the top. So you guys could see the glimmer on it. So there you go. And then she did these bells. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. Look at all the shimmery. So she did do the diamond dust right here. Is that what they're called? Yeah, diamond dust. So cute. And then she did this shaker. Okay, I gotta go back to where I was trying to go into the making shakers. So you guys, I've been struggling with doing shakers. I know I've heard do hot glue, I've heard it all, and I still cannot manage to work them. But then again, I think it's because I'm using not acetate, I'm using what is it called? Oh my goodness, I'm using that, not laminator sheets, but I'm using sheet protectors. So could be the difference. I know Lorraine Platero sent me some acetate paper, so I'm hoping to start using it, but I'm kind of hoarding it because you guys know I don't want to waste stuff right away. I just want to cherish it for a while. So look at this, you guys. So she did a pretty good job. Here's oh my gosh, this skateboard is so cute. Or it's not a skateboard, it's a ice skate. But loving the poinsettias. These are so cute. And I know Brenda loves flowers. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Loving it. Look, she put some feathers up here, and she put this trim up here, and then she put this, what is it, pro bling. And oh, so cute. And then she did, it looks, oh no, I was gonna say, I think she did the nude dots, but it looks more like it's it actually looks like have like a diamond cut, so it's pearls, like little pearls up here. So she did that. Oh, nice. And then she did this one, and I have this die. I just got this die, you guys, and loving the die, but like I said, I cannot glue my dies together for the life of me. For the life of me, I've used glue, I've used everything. I think I was getting the hang of it, and then moved and everything. So yeah, I forgot what I was doing. So cute. And oh my gosh, I love these eyes. So cute. And then this is the last one over here. So I got another one over here. This is cute. And this is so cute. The little cup. You know, I'm getting obsessed with like tea cups and all that stuff. Oh my goodness, I like too many things. So there you go. This is so cute, and I love these. Oh my gosh. So anyways, this is from Brenda, and again, I will link her down in the description below, as well as Liana from It's a Deal. So thank you, ladies, and we will see you guys on our next video. Hope everybody enjoys their holidays. Oops, there you go. I hope everybody enjoys their holidays, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.